Judging by appearances, all engine oil looks alike, but the reality is they don't all perform alike, and not all synthetic oils are the same either. There are three types of oil: conventional oil, synthetic blend, and full synthetic oil. Conventional oil is refined crude oil, while synthetic blend is a mix of conventional oil and synthetic base oils. Full synthetic oil is created by engineers who use advanced technology to produce oil that outperforms both conventional and synthetic blend oil. Full synthetic oil starts with high-quality base oil, to which a unique mixture of additives is included to enhance performance and protection. That's why full synthetic oil is recommended for your Kia when it's time for an oil change. Its unique formulation helps reduce engine sludge. In fact, the additives break down, disintegrate, and clean out the sludge that's present in your vehicles that have been using conventional oil. Full synthetic oil also provides greater engine wear protection, and it's engineered for extreme high and low temperatures, so you're protected when driving in scorching heat. And it helps your engine start easier in freezing cold weather. And when you use full synthetic oil, your Kia requires less frequent oil changes. Be sure to follow the factory recommended maintenance schedule, as that prolongs vehicle life while keeping your warranty intact, and it helps maintain your vehicle's resale value. So, when it's time for your next oil change, choose the oil that best protects your Kia: full synthetic oil. It improves engine performance while protecting your investment, and it makes sense for both new and older Kia vehicles. Talk to your Kia dealer today to learn more about using full synthetic oil in your Kia.